Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to export or convert a PDF to ANSI Super B size PDF. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option and select here Resize option and select Standard option and click on this Standard dialog box arrow and scroll down. Here you will find this ANSI Super B size and select a unit ins and select all page and finally select OK. See this. Our PDF file now convert to ANSI Super B PDF and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.